What if the next Garmin watch is already hiding in plain sight? Not in a leak, not in a rumor, but inside Garmin's own software. That is exactly what just happened, and it changes everything about the upcoming Garmin Enduro 4. For the first time, the Enduro 4 has officially appeared inside Garmin Connect's internal system. This was discovered during an APK teardown of Garmin Connect version 5.26 by Gadgets and Wearables. Inside the app's device registry, a new entry labeled Enduro 4 showed up with device ID 5179. This is not speculation. This is not guesswork. It is a direct reference inside Garmin's own software infrastructure. Even more interesting, this device entry was completely missing from version 5.25. That means Garmin recently added it. And historically, when Garmin starts preparing its software backend with a specific device name, a launch usually follows soon after. Garmin does not add product names randomly. When the name appears, development is already in advanced stages. The timing also makes perfect sense. The Enduro lineup follows a clear 2-year refresh cycle. The Enduro 2 launched in August 2022. The Enduro 3 followed in August 2024. If Garmin keeps the same pattern, the Enduro 4 could arrive in late August or September 2026. Industry watchers are already pointing to that window. Garmin itself recently hinted that the second half of 2026 will be stronger due to planned product launches. That lines up perfectly with this discovery. For those who are new to the Enduro series, this watch has always been Garmin's battery life king. It is built for endurance athletes who care about one thing above all else, and that is maximum runtime. The Enduro takes the foundation of the flagship Fenix line but removes features that add weight or consume extra power. It is about efficiency. It is about durability. It is about going further without worrying about charging. Take the Enduro 3 as an example. It shares much of its core technology with the Fenix 8, but it skips features like the speaker, the microphone, and diving-focused hardware. By removing these components, Garmin keeps the watch lighter and more power efficient. The design usually combines titanium and nylon to reduce weight while maintaining strength. The result is a watch built for ultra runners, long-distance hikers, and serious outdoor athletes who spend days away from power sources. Now here is where things get even more interesting. Garmin Connect version 5.26 does not just include the Enduro 4 entry. The update also introduces new references related to phone call management. There are new permissions for call handling and dedicated in-call service components. On top of that, Garmin expanded text references tied to Assistance Plus and automated incident detection systems. This opens the door to a big question. Could the Enduro 4 gain advanced communication features? Some analysts believe LTE connectivity is possible. Others suggest two-way satellite messaging could be added. That would be a major upgrade. It would make the Enduro 4 not just an endurance watch, but also a serious safety device for remote adventures. But here is the challenge. The Enduro identity is built on battery life. Adding LTE or satellite features can drain power quickly. That goes directly against what makes the Enduro special. So Garmin must balance innovation with efficiency. Many experts believe Garmin will stick with its highly efficient solar-assisted memory and pixel display instead of switching to AMOLED. That display technology is one of the key reasons the Enduro line can deliver weeks of battery life instead of just days. If Garmin manages to add smarter communication features without sacrificing battery performance, the Enduro 4 could become one of the most powerful endurance watches ever made. And if it maintains its lightweight titanium build and solar charging advantage, it may once again dominate the ultra-endurance segment. As for pricing, expectations place the Enduro 4 somewhere between $899 and $999. Previous models usually cost slightly less than the highest-end Fenix variants because they skip certain premium hardware. However, if LTE or satellite communication is included, the price could move toward the higher end of that range. In my opinion, the appearance of Enduro 4 inside Garmin Connect is the strongest confirmation yet that this watch is real and close to launch. Garmin does not prepare software support this early unless the product is coming. My best opinion on this product is that Garmin is about to strike the perfect balance between extreme survival gear and modern connectivity. If they can implement low-power satellite pinging for safety without degrading the legendary multi-week battery life, it will completely solidify the Enduro 4 as the undisputed king of outdoor smartwatches. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that.